Evening everyone. My name is Imde Tabe or I have taken a topic Newton first law of motion, second law of motion and third law of motion. Basic Newton first law of motion state that if a body is raised, it's remain raised. If a body is raised, it's remain raised unless and until force act on the body. That means net force, yeah, external force is equals to 0. Acceleration of the body, it must be 0. If a body is moving with constant speed in a given direction, net force on the body is equals to 0. It means acceleration of the body is 0. ठीक है? Newton second law. Newton's second law says that a force applied on the body, it must be equals to the mass of the body and its acceleration. Acceleration is directly proportional to force applied on the body and inversely proportional to mass of the body. Newton's third law of motion says that it is applicable for two different body. Two different body. It says that every action should be equal and opposite reaction. Every action should be equal and opposite reaction. That means free body diagram of the body equals to mg upon t. T is tension in the spring and m is the mass of the object. T. Let us solve one problem to analyze this law. I have considered a pulley arrangement mass m and one of the string is mass equals to 2m. The pulley is massless pulley and friction between pulley and string equals to 0. Friction between pulley and string equals to 0. Mass, I have considered as mass m mass body. M mass body. Gravity force act mg. Tension is induced in the string is T. Tension induced in the string is T. Body is resisting the gravity force to obtain equilibrium condition. And that pulley apply net opposite force T in this direction. Same and consider this tension T in the spring is
acting in downward direction to equilibrium condition, it must be applied to other side of the pulley. Then the mass of the second body it is 2m body, same tension applied upward direction. It means acceleration act in 2m body in downward direction. So I have considered which force is uh, moving the pulley. If we are considered 2m body, that means 2 mg and P tension T. According to Newton's second law, if body is moving, that means 2 mg must be greater than T. So 2 mg minus T equals to mass 2a into acceleration. This force basically says that net force acting on that body. This is the effect of the body. Effect of the on the body. The body. Okay. This is the equation number 1. For mass m body of mass m, we are applying Newton's second law in this condition. T is greater than mg, then body move upward direction. It should be body move downward direction. T minus mg equals to 8 into acceleration. This is that equation number 2. If we are adding equation 1 and equation 2, that means mg equals to 3 ma. The acceleration of the body equals to g by 3. Unit is meter per second. We are substitute the value of a substitute in equation 1. We get mg equals to mg by 3. 3 equals to mg plus mg by 3 equals to 4 mg by 3. Tension induced in the string is T equals to 4 mg by 3 newtons and acceleration is g by. So done कर दो.